Want a 35 plus on your next ACT exam? Well, stick with me because in today's video, I'm going to give you 5 steps on how you can get a 35 plus. These strategies actually worked for me as I got a 35 on the ACT twice with a total super score of 36. Click on the top right if you want to see the reaction, but I'm going to teach you how to actually get that score. So let's get into the video. The first step when reaping your 35 plus is to get a review book. Let's do a quick analogy. Say your car broke down and you need to repair it. You didn't know how to fix the car previously, so you pulled out your car's manual and read it to learn the steps behind how to repair your car. A review book is essentially your car repair manual. Without it, you wouldn't be able to effectively learn how to do the job. Now, there isn't an ACT prep on Khan Academy, and other websites are either pretty cheap or behind a paywall, so a review book is really your best choice. It'll teach you the strategies you need and provide you multiple paper pencil practice tests. FYI, the specific book that I used was the Princeton Review ACT Premium Edition, but most books on the market work, and if you don't want to buy it, you can just reserve it at a library and study with free material. Now, you have a review book, but how do you utilize it effectively to gain the most benefits? The answer, you need a study plan, which is step 2. It doesn't have to be too complicated or complex, but it should include Monday through Sunday and should tell which section you're studying on which day and for how long. Here's a quick sample study plan as you can see on the screen. So on this sample plan, on Monday there's 2 hours of reading studying, on Tuesday there's 1 hour English, Wednesday 1 hour math, Thursday is a break day, that's very important for breaks, Friday 1.5 hours science, Saturday is a full practice test and grading, and Sunday is 1.5 hours reading and 1 hour English. So you just want to make something similar for yourself to the one I showed you. Simple yet effective. Then all you need to do is follow the plan, and it usually works out. Anyways, let's move on. Step 3 is to do what I like to call overnight prep. Now, isn't cram studying ACT reading or math the night before the test up till 1, 2 in the morning? Rather, it's preparing yourself physically, mentally, and emotionally for the exam. It's important to stop studying for the ACT the morning before the test and don't study for that entire day. Also, prepare all of your supplies, including pencils, erasers, your student registration sheets, snacks, water, all that good stuff before the evening when you may be stressed. Get everything out of the way the morning, the day before the test, and relax for a bit to clear your head. Now, another very important component of the scoring high is getting enough sleep the night before. As most of us are teenagers, we should have at least 8 hours of sleep to be healthy and regenerated for the test. Now, get to bed extra early because I want you to wake up early and warm up for the exam on test day. After eating a healthy breakfast, answer a passage from each section and prep your body just as if you're warming up for a sports marathon. I did this myself and found it to be very helpful because later that day, my brain was cognitively primed for the exam. Finally, be sure to go to the bathroom before you leave your house so it will not bother you on test day. Long story short, relax the day before, do a quick warm up, and get going. Now, on to the 4th step of getting that 35 plus, which is to remain calm during the exam. Yes, you may get nervous before you get your test booklet, but it's important to take deep breaths in and out and keep your peace of mind. You'll need to be rational and logical during the test. So if you start getting stressed, it may slow you down and you may make more mistakes. So you must constantly remind yourself that calm equals correct. My final step for your 35 plus in the ACT is more related to the actual questions. It's that you should answer every single question. Going for a score in the 99th percentile isn't an easy task, and you cannot afford losing points by skipping questions you don't know. Therefore, every question must have an answer. Moreover, it shouldn't just be random guessing, like if you're stuck in the last 5, you guess for the last 5 questions. I need you to try to pace yourself properly so you have enough time to analyze each question and, with quality, identify the correct answer choice. Even more, I want you to check all your answers Scantrons at least once to make sure you didn't accidentally miss marking any bubbles on the Scantron. It happens sometimes and it means you'll be losing easy points without even knowing it, which really does suck. All in all, remember that you miss 100% of the shots that you do not take, so make sure to take every shot. In summary, I provided 5 tips that will get you that 35 plus if you are able to execute them properly in your preparation for the ACT. As a recap, first you should get a review book, followed by preparing a study plan that's not too crazy and complex. As you get closer to your test, be sure to carry out effective overnight prep and morning warm-ups, and on test day, remain calm and answer all questions. With these tactics, I'm confident you'll get the score you're aiming for on this ACT, hopefully 35 or 36. And you got this, but if you liked the video, like and subscribe, turn on notifications. There's so few subscribers from the people who are reviewing it, as you can see on the image. So please subscribe and show some dedication and support, and I will give back to you through my videos. I've got much more content coming up in the future, but anyways, I hope you enjoyed that video. Have a fantastic rest of your day, and see you later.